A pleasant day to everyone, especially to our dear panelists, Sir Joshua P. Roldan. I am Sarah Roan L. Arias.
I am Hernan C. Avilia.
I am Nicolangela Sibataan. I am Michelle Ann Pinar Patro.
I am Science Lili Pagdinawan.
And I am Chloe P.
And we will be presenting our study entitled Preventing Teenage Pregnancy, the Importance of Sex Education and St. Gregory Academy Senior High School. As the saying goes, kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan by Dr. Jose Rizal reflects the idea that the youth is the country's greatest hope for the future. However, Rizal's ideal is hindered by the issue of young people being pregnant at a young age. Teenage pregnancy is a global problem that affects developing nations, including the Philippines. It is influenced by several variables such as economic status, education, religion, family, community, and lack of access to reproductive health services. In the Philippines, the cases of teenage pregnancy have dropped from 8.6% in 2017 to 5.4% in 2022. Yet, when compared to other countries, it is a concerning percentage. Inadequate knowledge about sex education can be attributed to the Philippines' continuous rise in adolescent pregnancy rates. Teenage mothers are the most vulnerable due to their body's incomplete emotional and physical preparation. The financial security, educational attainment, and the mother's health can be affected because of early parenthood. As per UNICEF, they may experience hypertension, postpartum depression, sexually transmitted infection, HIV, AIDS, and other serious diseases. Therefore, this study aims to give teenagers an in-depth understanding of their sexual health by providing age-appropriate sex education. This study aims to determine the significance of sex education in preventing teenage pregnancy among senior high school students of St. Gregory Academy academic year 2023 to 2024. Now, let us proceed to the background of the study. Teenage pregnancy has become a global concern, and in order to prevent it and improve student well-being, comprehensive measures are required. Studies have demonstrated the significance of sex education in preventing adolescent pregnancy by imparting knowledge on age-appropriate subjects like relationship, birth control, and reproductive anatomy. Even with the proof that sex education is successful, there is still a need for improvement. One approach to accomplish this would be to incorporate comprehensive sex education into the curriculum while making sure it is age appropriate, respectful of various cultures, and accurate in terms of medical information. When evidence based sex education programs are developed, students will be empowered to make informed decisions about their sexual health and relationships.
For the statement of the problem, this study aims to determine the importance of sex education in preventing teenage pregnancy among senior high school students of St. Gregory Academy, academic year 2023 to 2024. Specifically, it sought to answer the following questions. 1. How familiar are senior high school students with sex education? Senior high school students' familiarity with sex education varies widely depending on their school's curriculum, personal experience, and cultural background. While some may have comprehensive knowledge, others may have limited exposure of understanding sexual health topics. 2. What is the significance of including sex education in the curriculum? Including sex education in the curriculum is significant because it equips students with crucial knowledge about sexual health, consent, and relationships, helping them to make their informed decisions to navigate their lives responsibly. Additionally, it contributes to reduce the rate of unintended pregnancy, sexually transmitted infections, and sexual violence. 3. What action may school administrator undertake to include sex education in the curriculum? School administrator can undertake action such as advocating for comprehensive sex education programs, collaborating with teachers and health professionals to develop age-appropriate curriculum, ensuring parental involvement and support for implementation. These efforts aims to create a supportive and inclusive learning environment that promotes students' sexual health. Now, let us proceed to the scope and delimitation of the study. The respondents of this study are the grade 11 and 12 of St. Gregory Academy of any strand were chosen to participate. The study, Preventing Teenage Pregnancy, the Importance of Sex Education on St. Gregory Academy, Senior High School, focuses on examining how sex education influences teenage pregnancy rates among grade 11 and 12 students.
The study entitled Preventing Teenage Pregnancy, the Importance of Sex Education on St. Gregory Academy Senior High School is significant to the following. First is the students. They will be able to make educated decisions about their bodies and relationships due to the study's dissemination of vital information about sexual health and contraception. Better decision-making skills can help students handle relationships and sexuality with confidence, which will enhance their general well-being and academic performance. Second is for the parents. They are reassured knowing that their children are learning age-appropriate lessons about sex and relationships, enabling them to make informed choices about their bodies and relationships. Third is for the academic. By ensuring that adolescents receive comprehensive sex education, schools may help promote a more welcoming and secure learning environment for all students while also protecting everyone's health. And lastly, this study will benefit the future researchers. Future researchers should benefit from this work as it lays a solid foundation for the understanding of the long-term effects of sex education on relationships, grades, and ideas.
So the researchers chapter 2 contains the review of related literature and conceptual framework. According to the Bourdieu Project 2020, the Philippines 2012 Responsible Parenthood and Reproductive Health Act targets high rates of teenage pregnancy, as well as related health concerns such as deaths of babies and HIV or AIDS. It introduced sex education in schools and made reproductive health medication available for educated decision making and preserve women's rights. Overall, the act is supposed to improve public health outcomes and lower teenage pregnancy rates around the country. Teenagers aged 12 to 19 generally support sex education, focusing on major topics such as the stay away and self-protection. Effective sex education in both home and school situation counts for giving important guidance and knowledge. The study framework, which is based on the input process output model proposed by Baccarat, tries to solve the problem of teenage pregnancy among St. Gregory Academy's senior high school students. It points out the need to include sex education in the curriculum to lower teenage pregnancy. The project is to lessen teenage pregnancy by focusing on the individual student group and adopting appropriate strategies through education and awareness. Overall, the framework points out the need of sex education in discussing social and health challenges surrounding teenage pregnancy.
This chapter will include the research design, data collection plan, sampling technique, and participants of the study.
The researchers at St. Gregory Academy have devised a research design aimed at investigating the significance of sex education in preventing teenage pregnancy among senior high school students for the academic year 2023 to 2024. The design employs a qualitative methodology, specifically utilizing a case study approach, to facilitate an in-depth exploration of the research topic within the school's context. To gather data, the researchers should conduct in-depth interviews with senior high school students from various academic strands, including STEM, UMS, and APM. These interviews will serve as the primary method for data collection, allowing the researchers to capture diverse perspectives and experiences regarding sex education and its role in reducing teenage pregnancy. Throughout the data collection process, the researchers will prioritize maintaining participant anonymity, confidentiality, and obtaining informed consent. Ethical considerations will guide all aspects of the research design. Upon collecting data, the researchers will employ a systematic process of analysis, utilizing a conceptual framework to identify common themes and patterns within the interview transcript. The ultimate goal of the research design is to provide a comprehensive understanding of the significance of sex education within the context of St. Gregory Academy, with the aim of informing efforts to improve sex education programs and support systems for high school students. In conclusion, the research design represents a methodical approach to exploring a critical issue facing young people today. The researchers are optimistic that the study will yield valuable insights to support ongoing efforts in promoting adolescent health and well-being through effective sex education programs.
In data collection plan, the study at St. Gregory Academy will employ a case study method with structured interviews lasting at least 10 minutes to explore and describe a complex issue, ensuring reliability and accuracy through transparent documentation via audit trails. The target population consists of 10 senior high school students from any strand, with recorded interviews facilitating and identification and correction of errors or inconsistency in the data. In sampling technique, the researchers used purposive sampling will be used to select participants for the study on sex education, role in preventing teenage pregnancy at St. Gregory Academy, focusing on individuals with demonstrated interest or involvement in sexual health initiatives, peer support efforts, or health education programs. By gathering diverse perspectives from students with relevant knowledge and experiences. The study aims to enhance its reliability and provide a platform for those directly impacted to their voice insights on the importance of sex education in mitigating teenage pregnancy risks.
The researchers aim to understand the significance of sex education for senior high school students at St. Gregory Academy. By conducting interviews with 10 participants from various academic strands, the researchers seek to gain insight into the students' perspectives on sex education and potential areas for improvement. Eventually, the study aims to contribute to the enhancement of sex education programs designed to meet the needs of students in the school community.
That is all for our research project entitled Preventing Teenage Pregnancy, the Importance of Sex Education on St. Gregory Academy Senior High School. Thank you.